Hello guys, welcome back to Katta. A token is a cryptocurrency built for a particular project and using an existing blockchain. Tokens are generally developed and used by startups or organizations looking to raise funds for their new project, generally in the blockchain space, but not always. Ethereum, Binance and TRON are the three of the most popular blockchains used for crypto token development. They use ERC20, BEP20 and TRC20 token standards respectively. In this video, we will talk about everything concerning tokens, including what a token standard is and the different types of token standards, and also see which one is the best and cheapest. So let's start. What is a token standard? A token standard contains a set of rules by which all the tokens on that particular standard are governed. In other words, a token standard defines the mechanism to create, issue and deploy new tokens on a specific blockchain. For example, ERC20 token development is an Ethereum token development standard that provides an easy way for developers to build new tokens based on the Ethereum blockchain. All ERC20 tokens will have common properties and will be governed by the same rules. Besides, ERC20, BEP2, BEP20 and TRC20 are some of the other popular crypto token standards. How many different token standards are there? Every blockchain can have its own token standard, and sometimes more than one. For example, Ethereum has multiple token standards, including ERC10, ERC20 and ERC721. If we talk about the most popular types of token standards for advanced token development, these are the following: ERC20, Ethereum, TRC20, TRON blockchain, BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. Let's now discuss each in detail along with the various differences between these and how to choose the best token standard. ERC20 token standard. What it is, how it works. ERC20 is the most popular and used token standard of all time. Most of the tokens you see on coinmarketcap.com are ERC20 tokens built on the Ethereum network. ERC20 is also one of the oldest and most trusted standards for creating tokens. ERC stands for Ethereum Request for Comment. All the tokens that are created and run on the Ethereum blockchain must abide by the rules of the ERC20 token standard. Ethereum smart contracts are used to create ERC20 tokens that can be bought and sold as well as traded on exchanges. ERC20 token standard contains a variety of information including details of the total token supply, how the tokens will be transferred, how the tokens can be withdrawn, token balance in the account, how the tokens will be received. Creating an ERC20 token is easy and affordable. Moreover, the transactions involving ERC20 tokens are fast, with efficient quick transaction confirmation. The contract breaking risk is also low with the Ethereum network. ERC20 transactions are fast, effective, globalized, thanks to the power of Ethereum. Also, you can expect higher liquidity and increased revenue because of the global acceptance and wide reach of ERC20 tokens. ERC20 token development is cost effective and time saving. The tokens created with this method are user friendly, very secure and come with dedicated wallets. It's the easiest way to raise funds for a crypto startup project. Custom crypto tokens created on the Ethereum network and based on the ERC20 standard could be used in the both BSC and the TRON network as well. BEP20 token standard. BEP20 is the second most popular standard for crypto token development. Many of the new tokens are being developed on the Binance Smart Chain, mainly because it's faster, more efficient and supports cross-chain compatibility. BEP20 was created as an extension of the ERC20 and therefore inherits all the ERC20 features. BEP20 is the primary token standard for the Binance Smart Chain. That is, all tokens on the BSC are automatically based on the BEP20 standard. BEP20 defines the rules according to which a BEP20 token will be utilized, transferred, approved and managed. Note: BEP20 is not to be confused with BEP2. These are two separate token standards of Binance, while BEP20 is a token standard of the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). BEP2 is connected with the Binance Chain. Unlike Binance Chain, BSC supports the smart contract functionality and also do the BEP2 tokens. All BEP20 tokens are based on the Binance Smart Chain, which is dedicated Binance blockchain network created for running smart contracts and dApps. The BSC allows developers to build smart contract powered decentralized applications. Many people do not know that BSC is compatible with ETH and offers a faster, low cost way to process transactions. That means you can use the Binance Smart Chain BEP token to transfer ERC20 tokens at a much faster speed and a very low cost. Not only the ERC20 but many other tokens including Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin and USDT can be transferred using BEP20. Other advantages of the BEP20 token system include compatibility with BEP2 ERC20 tokens, support of the Binance exchange, built-in functions features of BEP20 standard, easy swapping with BEP2 tokens, supported by many wallets, and cross-chain compatibility with other blockchain tokens. TRC20 token standard. TRC20 is a token standard for issuing and managing tokens created on the TRON blockchain. The TRC20 standard defines the rules that every token in the network must follow. These include the rules for issuance of new tokens, performing and approving a token transfer, sending and receiving tokens, and more. All tokens on the TRC20 network will be supported by specific digital wallets and can be swapped, transferred, and shared given that they follow the rules specified under the TRC20 contract, including total supply, balance of, transfer, approve, transfer from, and allowance. Besides that, TRC20 tokens may also follow the option rules, including token name, token abbreviation, and token precision. TRON network was created as a more efficient clone of Ethereum, with lower fees and faster transaction speed. Since the TRON virtual machine, the operating system for TRON smart contracts, uses the same Solidity language for contract programming as Ethereum. All TRON tokens and smart contracts are seamlessly compatible with the Ethereum network. That means TRON tokens can be used on the Ethereum network and vice versa. TRC20 is the standard used for issuing new tokens on the TRON blockchain. Since TRON is a public blockchain, it allows anyone to create and issue their tokens according to the rules specified in the TRC20 standard. All TRC20 tokens can seamlessly interact with all other tokens and apps created on the TRON network. Unlike ETH, which uses the proof of work consensus mechanism, the TRON network uses delegated proof of stake consensus method, which is not only more efficient in terms of fast transaction speed and low cost, but also built with many unique innovations to suit the latest requirements. The TRON network has an average block time of 3 seconds per block, which is far better than Ethereum's 15-second block time. ERC20 versus TRC20 versus BEP20. The primary difference between the three most popular token standards is that of the underlying network. While ERC20 tokens are based on the Ethereum blockchain, BEP20 tokens are built on BSC, and TRC20 tokens are based on the TRON blockchain. All three networks uses the same Solidity language, which means they are mostly cross-compatible and can be used interchangeably, with tokens developed on one platform accessible on others. Also, the process of creating and deploying tokens is nearly similar on all three networks, except for the fees and ease of use. In terms of efficiency, the BSC network is the best for token development and offers the lowest fees. TRON is basically a clone of Ethereum with increased efficiency and reduced cost. Since mining on the Ethereum network is impractical because of the very high fees, alternatives like TRON and BSC emerged, offering more efficient and cost-effective solutions along with all the features of Ethereum blockchain. Since the BSC network is compatible with the ERC20 and TRC20, you can send or withdraw an ERC20 TRC20 token using the BEP20 network. While Ethereum network still uses the old proof of work consensus algorithm, the Binance Smart Chain uses a customized proof of stake authority, that is POSA mechanism, which is said to have a 3-second block processing time as compared to Ethereum's 15-second block time. So clearly the Binance network is about 5 times more efficient than the Ethereum network. TRON's Delegated Proof of Stake (DPoS) is also a customized version of POS and has a recorded block processing time of 3 seconds per block, which is about the same as that of BSC. In fact, the inefficiency of Ethereum was the major reason behind the creations of other blockchains. Over time, as traffic and demand increased, Ethereum's slow conscious model proved to be inefficient and very costly, which led to the development of TRON in 2017 and then the Binance Smart Chain in 2019. TRON blockchain with its delegated proof of stake (DPoS) consensus is clearly more efficient than Ethereum and can process more transactions in less time at lower fees. In terms of popularity, BEP20 is only second to ERC20 and is growing quite fast. Due to the increasing global popularity of the Binance exchange, all BEP20 tokens are automatically listed on the Binance exchange and are compatible with multiple token types including Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin and others. Since the transaction fee on Ethereum is already very high and gets higher as the load on the network increases, the developers have a third time considering building complex apps with the advanced features, as this can further increase the transaction fees on the network. TRON overcomes this issue by introducing a way to build advanced smart contracts and apps without affecting the network fees by a lot. However, the Binance Smart Chain certainly comes out as the winner in the competition between these three most popular blockchain networks of token development. Why? Because BSC is efficient, cost-effective and super fast. Unlike Ethereum, where the transaction fee is only growing up with time, Binance has somehow found a way to keep the transaction fee low with increasing use. Believe it or not, the daily average fee on Ethereum's network is almost 200 times compared to the daily average fee on the BSC network. It's even better. So friends, a new internet is emerging and its premise are decentralized, and due to its numerous new things are made. The same we have seen in this video. Web 3.0 is an extremely interesting development which is going to change the entire world. So that's why I will suggest you about EPNS project, which is doing a tremendous work in Web 3 world and can give us good return on our investment. Basically, Ethereum Push Notification Service (EPNS) is a decentralized notification communication protocol that enables any dApps or smart contracts to send blockchain agnostic, incentivized and dynamic notifications. So if you want to know more about this project, the link is in the I button and I will also share it in the description of this video. The views and opinions expressed here are only for educational purpose. I am not a financial advisor and every investment and trading move involves risk, so you should conduct your own research when making a decision. So that's all for today. If you found this video informative, please share it with your loved ones and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Till then, have a great day.